Well, good morning. Told you all I was going to try this YouTube thing, so this is the start of it. So I'm Goose Bellows. I go by Bucking Crazy on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. I am currently building a '94 Ford Bronco Centurion that, as you saw, was up on the 58-inch Mickey Thompsons. You saw my little toy over here, Bucking Noisy Boy, and yeah, today's process is going to be, let me flip this camera around. We've had some fun with transmission, so today's shenanigans will consist of installing this son of a bitch into that. So let me flip it back around. I will be cutting off and on because I don't edit videos very well, and this will be hopefully a one-day process. I'll be able to give you feedback on do's and don'ts as far as, well, I've pulled this transmission 3 times now, and we've had the truck run a total of 69 minutes to be exact. And yeah, so that'll be what we're going to work on today here in my little shop here called the Goose Nest. I'll cut out now, and then I'll transfer over once I start getting ready to put it in. Well, step 2 of today's shenanigans, we got the transmission on the engine hoist to get it over because I'm not picking that thing up by myself. And then this is our presidential solution for getting it back up in the Bronco. More to come. Well, it might not be the most professional looking thing, but we got the transmission on, and it should be safe-ish. So up next, let's put it in there. Update. It's in. It actually only took me, I don't know, 20 minutes or so to actually get it bolted up. So now we got to do a little bit of lines, run to the store, get a bunch of transmission fluid, which I'm sure they don't have in stock. And then after that happens, we're going to, let's see, get some fuel in it, hook up the batteries, and try to start it. So she should be running today. So wish me luck. Well, she's in. Let me switch this around. As you see, I move the axle out of the way so I can get this thing on the ground. But this is my fast test start, should I say, tank. So it works great. So yeah, everything's up in here. For a first startup, all I gotta do is go up to the O'Reilly's and get some fluid for her. So once I get back from that, we'll get some fluid in it, and then we'll hook up some batteries, white trash right here on a little makeshift dolly thing that I got going on, and it should be good. So yeah, looking forward to getting this thing started. Well, as you can see, we got the Bronco down a little lower, white trash fuel tank set up, my current show truck Bucking King out front with some jumper cables so that you can kind of hear some background noise from the fast fuel system. It's already primed and getting on, so let's turn this thing over to here. Let's do a little zoom out if we can. Of course not. Well, let's see what we got for our first startup. I got the key turned on, so we're going to use the handy dandy starter. Well, let's see if we got any noise in the transmission. So good, we're going to let it run for a little while and see what happens. Well, y'all, transmission is in, as you saw in the video. Didn't see any leaks, any noises, nothing like that, so we're moving in the right direction. So that's a relief. Third time's a charm, that's for sure. I guess that'll conclude today's shenanigans. We're working on Bucket Behemoth. Up next is probably going to be the next opportunity for y'all to see what the newest sponsor sent me. Until then, thank y'all for watching. Like I said, I'm Goose Bellows. Handle, I guess you would say, would be Bucking Crazy, and hope you all have a good day. Thank you.